Welcome back to Southern Mama's Kitchen. Today we're making blueberry syrup.
Get your blueberries and go ahead and get them warming up in a good sized pot. And you're going to add in the sugar that's required by the recipe. Don't worry, I'll show a recipe card at the end so you can do a screenshot and use it whenever you get ready. Go ahead and measure out your sugar and add that in. Then add in some lemon juice. The acidity in the lemon juice and of the berries and with all the sugar is going to mean that you don't have to use a pressure canner. Go ahead and stir all that up together and bring it to a boil. Stir all that sugar in so that it's good and dissolved. When it comes up to a boil, you know you're on the right track and it's time to break out the immersion blender. Doesn't that look yummy? When you're using the immersion blender, just realize that everything you're doing is in hot liquid and it has the propensity to splatter. And hot things and sugar things burn. So when you're using an immersion blender, be very, very careful. Blend it up and you can make it as chunky or as smooth as you'd like. I like mine to have kind of medium chunky. But just be careful when you're blending. Right now, we got it to the consistency we like. It's time to start filling up our jars. I'm showing you the thinness of it. It's not going to set up thick like a jelly. It is a syrup. Go ahead and start spooning that into your jars, making sure that you leave about 1/4 inch headspace. Get some white vinegar on a paper towel and go ahead and clean off all of your rims so that you can ensure that you get a good seal. Go ahead and put your lids and rings on fingertip tight and then place them in your water bath. No need to pressure can because it's an acidic fruit. We also used a lot of sugar and there was lemon juice. So a water bath canning method is fine. And here we're just going to place those jars into the water bath canner, just like you've seen me do in some of my other videos. Make sure that you've got your cans covered about 1 inch. Let them boil for 10 to 15 minutes.
And this is our blueberry syrup that my family has been eating on for the last couple of days. It's nice and thick and kind of chunky. I don't know if you can see down in there. Perfect on pancakes or waffles, even over a little bit of vanilla ice cream. And as always, this blueberry syrup was made with extra love. I hope you enjoy.